some really interesting ideas are expressed here. The area through the centre here is obviously going to be paved. It's been created by closing a poly line, but then a little indicator of partial area of brick paving is shown. But then if we come over here, the actual pattern to be used in the paving is shown in blown up form. So I like that. I think that's a really interesting and useful approach to drafting. If we zoom in on this area through here, this garden bed area through here, difficult for you to see, but if we select the area, it's been hatched with a sand random dot pattern rather than the dots pattern that I would have used, and I think this is better. And within and on top of the sand hatching, a small block has been used of a little wiggly line, and that block's been stamped all the way through that garden bed area, as is this little group here, another block. So what that does is give a nice sort of soft and interesting view and appearance, and this has been carried through into another garden bed area to the left hand side of that path. I also like this little out arrow, a little arrow that shows egress through these perhaps sliding doors in that zone there, and then there's another illustration using that. So at a glance one can see where the traffic moves from the building out into this path and then back into another area of the building. So I think there's some really nice ideas there that we can all benefit from.